Well, I did the a battery conversion on my Dune Racer. On this one, I converted to the Black & Decker 20-volt batteries, and I also put in a variable accelerator pedal with the control box in the back to control the pedal. And it didn't go as easy as I planned. I do want to share what I did discover. This video is only going to cover the wiring diagram. So what I did was I tore it apart. I actually drew up a wiring diagram. I'll show the first one here. This is the original wiring diagram of the original Dune Racer. So this is the way it comes with the 12-volt battery and the soft start pedal. Pretty simple, pretty clever wiring from the factory. Then there's a second wiring diagram. This one here is going to be my first attempt, and the problem with that one is the controller, unbeknownst to me, needed 20 volts minimum. And of course my Black & Decker batteries are 20 volts, which is like a 28.5 volt battery system, and it ran kind of funky until I hooked up two 12-volt batteries in series for 24 volts. Then it seemed to work pretty good. So there's reverse, here's forward, and here's fast forward.
So I swapped it out with a second controller.
I think that's the one I had a problem with, that it had a soft start and stop, and the soft stop was even worse because after you let off the pedal, it took 3 seconds to stop. Now this one here is going to be the wiring diagram for the third controller that I used, and that one seemed to work pretty well with the, because it works for 9 volts to 70 volts. It has a 1 second soft start, so there's like a lag when you hit the gas pedal, but the variable gas pedal works and everything. So there is a delayed start. So if you want to try something, this is probably the one to try. And if anybody's got any comments on how to improve this wiring diagram or how to get rid of the that 1 second soft start, it would be appreciated, because I wouldn't mind diving back into it to fix that. And so this will be the second video. The first video was the actual mounting and alterations I had to do to get the accelerator pedal assembled, and this one here is just to cover the wiring diagrams. Thanks for watching. I hope the wiring diagrams help you if you're doing a Dune Racer conversion. Some of this wiring might also apply to some of the other Power Wheels electric cars that don't have control boxes on from the factory. Really simple. Thanks for watching.